everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day. I was going to do a power hour today and I had my list started, but I woke up this morning and I'm really not feeling very well. So I think if I were to try and do a power hour, it's just not going to work. But here's my list of things I hope to get done today. None of this is going to be a deep clean because, as I said, I'm not feeling the greatest. I'm just going to try and tidy up some of these rooms and give them a quick wipe down and just see how far I can get on these. And if I have time, I'm going to try, or if I have the energy, I'm going to try and clean my office, which is also known in this house as the Thedivaden. So I think it's time to get started. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Kelly. This is the Thedivaden, and I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up if you like it and think about subscribing. And take a browse around my channel and see if there's other videos that you'd like to watch. I'd love to have you join me each week. So I guess I can't procrastinate. Let's get going on cleaning. Okay, the first room I'm going to tackle is the guest bedroom, which used to be my daughter's room. I'm not crazy about the color on the wall, but that's a project for another day. But for now, I'm just going to give everything a quick dust and make sure it's all tidy. We do have some company coming on the weekend, so later in the week I'll probably give it a more thorough clean. But I do know the sheets are clean on the bed. I had already done those before. So I'm just going to give this room a quick dusting.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make a mistake. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town.
Now I'll move on to the stair railings and just give those a quick dust down. They don't get too dirty, but you just like to keep the fingerprints off them. Then I noticed on my way back up that the baseboards are really quite dirty, so a little dusty. So I'll just give those a quick wipe down as well.
Nothing can break me.
I like to use one of those microfiber, microfleece socks. I just stick it on my hand and then it helps me get in all the nooks and crannies. I really do like using this. I just spray a little bit of my dusting spray on it and off I go.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So
I started using this window cleaner. I got it at the dollar store, and it's just a concoction with some vinegar in it, and I love this stuff. It really does do a nice job and gets everything nice and streak free. This glass is a pain in the butt to keep clean. It tends to streak. I don't know if it's the quality of the glass or what, but this stuff really seems to help. And I got it at the dollar store.
look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down.
Now I'm moving on to the guest bathroom, and I'm going to be using my Lysol products, and I'm just going to give the counters and all the surfaces a quick wipe down. Oh, there's Gus. He's waiting by the bathtub. He's waiting for that shower to go on.
Beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
mentioned earlier, I really wasn't feeling well this day, and so I'm not going to do a really deep clean on this bathroom. I will do it closer to the day when my guests are going to arrive, but right now my son had been home for the weekend, so I was just tidying up after he left just to get a little fresher. But I will do a deeper clean before the guests come.
Conversations with you.
And now, the long-awaited moment. Gus is so excited. I've moved over to the bathtub, and he will think he's helping me, and he'll wait and wait until I turn on that water to rinse the bathtub, and then I don't know what it is with him, but he goes crazy. Here he goes, trying to get at the water every time.
I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
Here's a tip for your garbage cans. I always put one in the bottom, a spare, before I put in the fresh one. Then I have one on hand each time. Just crossing off now and seeing where to go next.
I don't want to be dragged in my box.
I love this Resolve spray. I use it on my husband's shirt collars. It really helps to get them fresh and clean and get some of the dirt off. I guess it's just from the sweat around the neck, but I really love using this stuff as a pre-soak before I do my laundry. In case you didn't know, but I do make my own laundry detergent, and I will link that up above in case you're interested in seeing how I make that. But I love it. It makes everything smell so fresh. And of course, one of my favorites, Soft Mousse Fleecy. Well, that didn't take me quite as long as I thought. I got through that list, so I'm going to head into my office, or as we know it in this house, the Thedivaden, and I'm going to try and tidy it up because there is stuff everywhere. So I'm just going to clean up, throw out some garbage, put stuff away, and give it a wipe down on the surfaces.
Wearing light shoes, walking down the shore, diving head first down to the ocean floor. Your dark brown eyes reflect fireflies, living bright nights, getting me high on life. It's a night to stay up late. Things we have to do can't wait. We've got catching up to do. There's a glow about you.
I do need to organize my makeup a bit better. It's getting a little cluttered under there. I have some containers for everything, but I think I'll have to come up with another system that works a little better and looks a little neater. I'm not loving what's going on right now, but I'll just wipe down the surfaces for today.
We'll take a long walk till we start to freeze. Hearing small talk over the summer breeze. Out of safe songs, finding hidden caves. All the whetstones shaped by the ocean waves. It's a night to stay up late. Things we have to do can't wait. We've got catching up to do.
I'm not sure if I mentioned, but this furniture polish that I use, I also got at the dollar store. It's really great. I can't believe the good cleaners they have there at a great price, of course. Oh, and Gus is still waiting at the shower. He's hoping I come back in again to do a second round. He's been sitting there since I left. It really is the strangest thing. Now I'm just going to start vacuuming all the floors, give this rug a quick vacuum, and from all the dust that flew up. My husband was yelling at me at this point to stop and to take a break. And I think I've mentioned in some other videos, he is really good at cleaning the wood floors. So I'll vacuum them and he'll come back and he will actually wash them for me. So you won't see me washing the floors because he had told me to take a break, and quite frankly I was done. So he's going to give the floors a good wash down for me. He's a good man. I think I'll keep him.
There's no way we'll be forgetting this.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight,
On the last little bit now, I'm just giving the hallway a quick vacuum, and my husband will come through and give the floors a wash, which is so helpful. And he does a great job, but I am done. So until next time, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and you'll think about subscribing and joining me each week. And until I see you next time, bye.